Hey Toros! This tutorial will show you how to access and save your EventPass to your mobile device. Saving your EventPass will speed up the check-in process when attending a campus event and keep track of your involvement record. Open your favorite search engine and navigate to torolink.csudh.edu. Once on the Torolink webpage, enter your MyCSUDH username and password. Once you have logged in, click on the letter icon opening the side menu. After the side menu has opened, select the EventPass icon. This will generate a pop-up window with your EventPass and name. For quick access, save the EventPass to your Apple Wallet or Google Pay by clicking the Add button or just take a screenshot. Your EventPass is now ready for a faster check-in.